Ready to move your Bitcoin from Binance to Shakepay with zero headaches? Let's dive right in. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. Typically found at the top of the screen, select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. Find Bitcoin in your list of assets, click on the Withdraw button next to it. This initiates the withdrawal process. Now, open your Shakepay app, tap Add Funds. This will reveal your Shakepay Bitcoin address. Copy your Shakepay Bitcoin address carefully, double-check and triple-check for accuracy. This is very important as errors can result in permanent loss of your Bitcoin. Back on Binance, paste the Shakepay address into the address field, select the correct network, which will almost always be the Bitcoin network BTC. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Complete the necessary security verification steps, such as SMS verification or Google Authenticator, as prompted by Binance. This is to protect your account. And that's it. The transfer is now initiated. You'll see a confirmation message in your Shakepay app once the Bitcoin arrives, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion.